Research shows that work takes up approximately a third of our lives. Most of us get so bogged down with day-to-day tasks, though, that we easily forget why we originally applied for the job and what we can get out of it. Here are a few ideas for how to make your working day better. Physical changes to your work environment can make a massive difference to how you feel. Get some green plants or a family photo for your desk. File all those odd bits of paper or throw them away. All of these little touches can make your work environment feel like it's yours. Make sure any screens you have are at a suitable height so you're not straining your neck and shoulders. Humans need a change of environment every now and then to improve productivity. Go out at lunchtime for a quick walk. If you have the option, it's a good idea to work from home occasionally. And if there's a conference coming up, ask if you can go along to it. Not only will you practice your networking skills, but you'll also have a day away from the office. Use coffee time to get to know a colleague you don't usually speak to. There's no point in getting away from staring at one thing though, only to replace it with another. So leave your mobile alone. Another tip is to try and stay out of office gossip. In the long run, it could get you in more trouble than you realize. When you're trying to focus on something, hunger is the worst thing. If you can, keep some healthy snacks in your desk because if you have something you can nibble on, it will make you work more effectively and you'll enjoy it more. Also, if you're dehydrated, you won't be able to focus properly. So keep drinking water. Finally, if you've been dreaming about starting up a big project for some time, do it. There are so many different things you can do to get you enjoying work more each day.